everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. This is my buddy Beat. Yeah, Beat's here to help you learn the Loog along with me. Today, we're working on a classic song. It actually was a classical piece of music that someone turned into many different songs. You may know it as the alphabet song or as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. By the way, this is a part of our series of kid songs, easy to learn songs that you might want to play on the Loog if you have a real little, like a little, like 4 and up. And if you're just getting started, I have a whole playlist of songs for you here on the channel, so check it out. This is a beautiful melody, and of course we could learn just how to play it as one single note, right? But I wanted to show you the chords that go along with that melody. So we're jumping into this with 3 different chords today. We're going to play in the key of A, and the key of A has chords like, well, A, D, and E major. Let's learn A. A is 2 fingers, your 2 middle fingers, on the 3rd string and 2nd string, or the top string and the middle string. And let's zoom in. We're gonna hit our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and our ring finger, our 3rd finger, is going on the middle string, 2nd fret. And we're gonna leave that 1st string open. There's our A. The next chord that we need is a D. This is a more challenging chord, so take your time with this. Be patient. This one can be tricky because we're using 3 fingers to play this chord. So, what's happening? I'm using my 1st finger to play the 3rd string, 2nd fret, pardon me, and I'm going to use my 2nd finger to play the 1st string 2nd fret. So it's like little bunny ears, right? Or peace sign. And we're swooping in and we're grabbing that chord. Boom, blam, right on there. So I want to be able to play both of those notes. And that's what it would sound like without the other finger. So that's why we need our 3rd finger to play the 2nd string 3rd fret. This is where things get kind of challenging, is being able to lift our fingers and chomp down and be able to get this 3rd finger to only touch and play the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Here's a tip. Make sure your fingers are as close to the fret as possible. If you're falling back, you might not get the right sound. Right? That doesn't sound good. So we want to make sure our fingers are right up behind the frets. There we go. And lift. Now, how do we get our fingers to lift? I tend to make sure that my wrist is pushing forward, like away from my body and the Loog. I want to go that way with this wrist. Boop. Right? We want it to go that way. And I get a nice lift on my fingers. This way. There you go. Sometimes I've told students that we want to look like a kung fu crane, right? You know, like karate style. Bam, bam. I don't know. It just makes sense to me. It kind of looks like I'm the Karate Kid. Maybe you know that reference. So, pushing our wrist forward, really getting our fingers to lift. There's our D. Now, the last chord is an E. This one's easy. Yep, that was a pun. So, our 1st finger is playing the 1st fret of the 3rd string. There's our E. So that's how we play our chords. Let's get into the order of them. Let's sing the alphabet song so we know exactly what letter to change the chord on. Here we go. We're going to start on A for the letter A. A, B, C, D. Funny enough, that's when we change to the D chord. E, F, and then back to the A chord for G. We're going to go back to D, H, I, J, K. Now we're going to go to the E chord, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my A, B, C's. Next time, won't you sing with me? If you need to go back and watch this section, please do. There's a lot of changes going on. I want to break this down a little bit for you. I'm going to play it again as a play along with you, and we're going to go nice and slow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Good. Q, R, S, T, U, V. Nice. W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my A, B, C's. Next time, won't you sing with me? Notice that this is not an easy song like the other video I have, Learn 10 Songs with Only 2 Chords, and if you want to, there's a link here and in the description for you to go and play those songs. This one's a little more challenging. There's 3 chords. We're moving a lot throughout this melody. All right, I'm gonna play Twinkle Twinkle as a play along right now. Are you ready? We're gonna use the same chords in the same order. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, let's go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. That was fantastic! You just learned 2 songs with the same chords and the same strumming and the same progression. That's so cool! Yeah, it's really cool. I think there's other songs that also use this melody. If you know it, leave in the comments below. I'd love to find out if you know other songs that use the same melody. Also, if you have a favorite song that you want to learn and you want me to help you learn it on the Loog, leave it in the comments below. I want you, my Loog Nation community, to tell me what songs you want to learn so we can start to build a huge library of songs together. If you like what's happening here at Loog Nation, please hit the subscribe button and check us out every Thursday. We'll have a new video for you. I'm really excited to learn a variety of songs and to help you learn how to play the Loog and see that you can apply all the things that the Loog came with, the chords and the app and all that fun stuff, and you can actually jump in and start learning songs. So, until then, I'm Mr. Will. That's my buddy Beat, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.